Way they go. Next big thing. Pass to begin. Dancing Giselle down on the inside. And racing in third is Formal entry. Botbo is racing in fourth by about 4 lengths. Alongside is Dennis Song. Dancing Giselle by half a length. Followed by next big thing in second. Formal entry running in third by about 4 lengths. Another 4 lengths cornerback is Dennis Song. And both boys running by the row as they raise the last 600. Dancing Giselle next big thing racing on the outside and Formal entry. Another 4 turn. It's Dancing Giselle by ahead. Next big thing racing on the outside and getting closer is Formal entry as they raise the last corner. It's now next big thing by half a length followed by Dancing Giselle. Formal entry racing on the outside and ring the last 150. Formal entry, a long shot followed by Dancing Giselle down on the inside. Next big thing, Botbo. Formal entry by about 2 lengths and finally Formal entry, Dancing Giselle. Next big thing, Botbo and Dennis Song.